Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, as you can read the title, I'm going to share with you the products that I highly recommend you guys to buy during the Nykaa Hot Pink sale. Now before we jump into the products, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And since the Nykaa sale is only until the 27th of this month, let's share our products. To start with, I would highly recommend the Huda Beauty Power Bullet lipsticks in the shade Interview, and if you're unable to get your hands on the shade Interview, I would recommend the shade Joyride. They are both in the range of nude colors and they are extremely matte yet moisturizing and also long lasting. So they were selling for rupees 1995, but their current price is 1696, so I would highly recommend you guys get your hands on those lipsticks. My next recommendation would be the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. The metal applicator that it comes with is amazing to apply with. It just reaches and applies so perfectly and evenly under your eyes and other pigmented places on your face. The pigmentation of this concealer is so intense that it can actually hide the mistakes of your past life, and hence I would highly recommend this concealer. The price of these concealers were 2520, but they're running a 15% off on these concealers, so go hurry. Another concealer that I highly recommend is the LA Girl HD Pro Conceal. This is an amazing concealer because of its applicator. It has a brush applicator and the pigmentation of this concealer is also very high. If you want to save an extra penny, then this is the concealer you must have, because this was retailing for $6.95, but currently they are running a discount of 20%, so you need to buy this concealer. Next product is the loose powder from Kay Beauty, and this is the HD Setting Loose Powder. It's a really nice product, guys, as the powder is finely milled and it also has a mesh to avoid picking up excess powder. Just in case you're unable to get your hands on this one, I would highly recommend to pick up the PAC Cosmetics HD Setting Powder, as these two powders are extremely similar in nature and their packaging. They're also a perfect dupe to the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder, and they can also save you a lot of money as compared to the Huda Beauty powder, so I definitely recommend you these products. Moving on to one of my favorite products, which is the Illuminating Powder from Kay Beauty, and this is in the shade Classic Gold. Currently they have only one shade and it's a beautiful shade for Indian skin. This is a finely milled powder and this is what I love about it. It also doesn't have any sparkles or glitters and it just melts into the skin, and that is why I highly recommend this product. Next product from Kay Beauty is their matte lipsticks, and they are so good and so moisturizing even though they are extremely matte. They also have a wonderful range of shades in this collection. They were selling this for $7.99, but they are currently running a discount of 30% and the current price is $5.59, and hence I would highly recommend this product again. Next product I purchased was the L'Oreal combination, in which I got the Lash Paradise mascara and a matte lipstick, and I love these products, guys. They are so good. I love the mascara because it is a perfect dupe to the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and it also saves a lot of money, and this retails for $7.99. On the other hand, the lipstick is in the shade I Choose and this retails for $6.50. I love this lipstick, guys, because it is matte yet moisturizing and definitely long lasting. My next product is from Nykaa, and I highly recommend this product for those people who have open pores. This is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. It is a little thick, but it is beautiful and it just disappears on the skin like air. It was retailing for $4.99, but it has a small discount which is only 10%, and the current price is $4.49, and I highly recommend this primer. My next product is from Nykaa again, and this is the Matte to Last liquid lipstick in the shade Gold, and I highly recommend this product, guys, because this is a perfect dupe to the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Gulabi, which was actually made for Indian skin. The liquid lipstick from Smashbox retails for $2,100, but this little piece of beauty retails for $4.49 after discount, and hence I highly recommend this product. Now this product is again from Nykaa, and this is the Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation, and I again love this foundation, guys. This is a medium to full coverage foundation, and this retails for $4.79 after 40% off. Yes, it is on 40% off, guys, so I highly recommend you guys to go and get this right away. Another product from Nykaa that is extremely budget friendly is the Eyes on Me eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Smoky at 8. This retails for 509 rupees after a discount of 15%, and I highly recommend this because it is a perfect palette for a person who loves nude colors. The pigmentation of this eyeshadow is insane, guys, and it blends like a dream. One reason that I highly recommend this palette is because it's a perfect dupe to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. Now this product is definitely a must-have as it's an extremely versatile product and you can use it in many ways. This is the Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick and this is in the shade Work It. Now this lipstick is not really a lipstick, I would say. It's more like a lip tint and you can use it as a lip tint, a blush, or even on your eyeshadows. This is currently on a 40% discount and its current price is $539. So please go get this. My last but definitely not the least favorite product from Nykaa is the Skin Genius Skin Perfecting and Hydrating Matte Powder, and this is currently on a 40% off, guys. Please go get it, and the current price is 315 rupees. I love the formula as it's completely matte and it really sets the foundation on your face. Now this product had to be in the list of my must-have products, and this is the Forever 52 Magnificent Liquid Eyeshadow and this is in the shade FLE008. This is a brilliant product, guys. I love this product as you can use this as an eyeshadow topper, a lip topper, and if you're not wearing any eyeshadow or you do not want to do any eye makeup, you can just apply this and a pair of falsies or just apply a lot of mascara and you're ready to go, and that is why I highly recommend this product. So these were the products that I highly recommend you guys purchase from the Nykaa Hot Pink sale before they get sold out. All the products shown in this video were purchased by me and this is not a sponsored video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up in the bottom bar. If you want to know how I created this look, I will put the link to the video in the description bar for you guys to have a look later. Before you jump onto your shopping, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and happy shopping.